So how to auto refresh on your Google Chrome browser. You need to install a extension for do that. You need to go Chrome Web Store. Go this website. Then search on an extension. Type auto refresh plus. Okay. This one. Press on it. Add to Chrome. Again add extension. And it's done. Now need to configure it. Click on this extension and customize your minute, or suppose I set 10 seconds. Press on allow. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's working. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.